Hi, my name is Brian Gale, and I'm the cluster facilitator for the Southeastern Alberta Metal Manufacturing Network. Our project started in the summer and fall of 2010 when we had a number of businesses in our region experiencing a shortfall in business operations, primarily, I guess, to the collapse of the oil and gas industry in this region. Because of that, we were able to get these businesses together along with our regional economic development and the County of Nolan City Books, and we all contributed, and we were able to launch our clustering project with the initial goal of trying to find more work for these guys and seeing if we can, by working together, we can solve some business issues. The situation changed dramatically once the project got going in the spring of 2011, as there was a big market uptake in the oil and gas sector. All of our businesses to a man then all of a sudden had more work than they could handle. And so the focus of the project had to change from a shortage of work to a shortage of workers. We were able to take our project and the focus and switch it to human resource related issues, and there was lots of things that we could work on, both from supply and demand. Human resource issues and our initiatives were the largest. But we also tried to focus on other areas, on operations, marketing, IT, strategic planning, and network development, and try to keep a reasonable mix of all of those things. But the primary focus was human resources. The bottlenecks of the businesses, in particular the HR issues. When you look at that through a bigger lens to see how it impacts and affects how the stakeholders were also participating in the project. For example, with the human resource issue, we had the comments from our businesses. Well, they could get a husband to come and work in their shop, but they were having a tough time convincing the wife to come to the region. Going further, even into with the local Medicine College training program, trades training program, I think we were really able to get involved with the college there on a number of issues. And in particular, the college was able to use the SEAM network and our focus on trades training to relaunch the first-year apprenticeship programs in welding and electrical. And so that was a major win for our project. Another small project that we were kind of proud of was that we were with the 3D training, software training, starting to look into that area of development. We recognize the current marketability and the hype surrounding 3D printing, and so we investigated that, and we were able to get a couple more partners. We got the Chamber of Commerce and the local Rotary Club and the Regional Economic Development to all contribute a share, and we purchased a MakerBot 3D replicator printer for Brooks Composite High School. We think this is the first 3D printer in a high school in Canada. When I think back to who was engaged in this project in terms of the businesses and stakeholders, it's the profound learning on my part really was recognizing that it was not just about helping the businesses, but also about working with and helping the community to be a more active part of the business environment. And these are the stakeholders: the local government and economic development organization, the schools, other government agencies, even the Chamber of Commerce. When I think about the future and what we've done to work with our businesses and what the project has accomplished, I think we've helped to move the ball a little bit further down in support of the businesses in the community, and in support of local manufacturing and the community having more capacity and being more competitive in the global environment. But when I think of some of the activities that the project included, I guess it was because the project had to change and adapt so early on that we had to listen very closely to our business members and what they were saying. And that led us to what we called our business-led framework, which was really about having some good brief conversations, discussions with the businesses frequently, and surveying them about ideas and initiatives that had come up in the course of conversations, and also what were their bottlenecks and what's on their mind. And it was from these conversations that we're really able to gain support for the projects that we initiated.